It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Today we're looking at Coherent, ticker COHR, and this stock has absolutely exploded over the past year. COHR is currently trading around $376 after gaining nearly 394% over the last 12 months. That is an insane move, and it immediately puts this stock into elite momentum territory. Looking at the one-year chart, the trend is extremely clear. Coherent has been consistently making higher highs and higher lows, while buyers continue stepping in on pullbacks. The stock started the year trading at much lower levels before momentum accelerated aggressively. Since then, the trend has remained strong, with very little long-term weakness showing up on the chart. What makes COHR especially interesting is that it operates in industries tied directly to AI infrastructure, semiconductors, optical networking, and advanced communications technology. Those sectors have been some of the hottest areas in the market, and COHR has clearly benefited from the massive demand flowing into AI-related names. Looking at the chart technically, one of the strongest signals here is the consistency of the trend. Even during pullbacks, buyers continue defending support levels and pushing the stock back higher. The stock recently made another major move upward and is now trading near the upper range of its yearly highs. Whenever a stock runs this hard, traders begin watching closely for either breakout continuation or signs of exhaustion. The first key support area I'm watching sits around $350 to $360. As long as COHR holds above that zone, the short-term bullish structure remains intact. Below that, deeper support comes in around $320, followed by the psychological $300 level. If the stock starts losing those support zones, volatility could increase quickly as traders begin locking in profits from this massive run. On the upside, the first resistance area sits near $390 to $400. If buyers break through that level with strong volume, traders could begin targeting $425 and potentially even $450 if momentum continues accelerating. Stocks that trend this strongly often move in waves, meaning periods of consolidation are completely normal before another breakout attempt. One thing I really like about this chart is volume behavior. During major upside moves, volume expanded noticeably, which helps confirm strong buyer participation behind the rally. Strong volume is important because it tells us institutions and momentum traders may both be involved in the move. Without volume confirmation, breakouts often struggle to hold. Momentum indicators also appear strong overall. While the stock may be approaching overextended territory after such a massive yearly gain, the broader trend still remains bullish unless we see major breakdowns below support. Traders should remember that stocks up nearly 400% in a year can experience sharp pullbacks even while staying in strong long-term uptrends. That's why risk management matters so much with momentum names like this. The bullish scenario is simple. COHR continues holding support above $350, buyers keep stepping in during pullbacks, and the stock eventually breaks through $400 before targeting $425 or even $450. If AI momentum and semiconductor strength continue leading the market, COHR could remain one of the strongest trending stocks in the sector. The bearish scenario is that momentum starts fading and sellers begin taking control near resistance. If COHR loses the $350 support zone, traders may begin targeting lower support areas around $320 or $300. Overall, technically speaking, COHR remains one of the strongest momentum charts in the market right now. The trend structure is bullish, volume supports the move, and buyers continue defending pullbacks aggressively. The biggest thing traders should watch now is whether momentum continues building for another breakout, or whether the stock needs a larger cooling off period after such a massive yearly run. This is not financial advice, just my technical breakdown. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment some stocks you want to hear about as we start our journey to 10,000 subscribers, and follow Stocks by Sat 06 for more stock picks and technical analysis breakdowns.